This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys Kia EV5. It's available in the Thai market but not in Europe yet. So they have many different models here, different colors, different if it's GT line, all-wheel drive or the rear-wheel drive. So yeah, it's a public day, so it's a bit busy. I'm trying to squeeze in where I can. Let's start with the trunk then. You see, it has similarities as a EV9, but just a smaller one, but bigger than the EV3 that we get in Europe. Wait, okay, this one doesn't have motorized liftgate. Okay, space in the trunk. Here we have, it's a vehicle to load, 16 amp, yeah, power outlet there. This is just a hook for hanging some stuff. No 12 outlet here, but at least okay space. And then here also you can open up this. It's a bit weird, you open it like this. You just slide it down there. I think there's supposed to be a partial chef, or I'm not sure. But seems to be okay space. And you can also recline it, seems like. So let me see, I just have to try to squeeze in here. Yeah, okay, there you go. So we have this solution here. Wait, are you supposed to, Oh, okay. I wonder if it comes with a 7-seater also, that's why it's like that. Wait, is that in the most upright position? And then you can recline more. Wait, how do you recline? I think I have to just get in here. This is really church bench. And then, yeah, okay, there. And then you can recline it more and more and more. Wow, in the most laid back position, it is quite laid back. Let's check now. Good headroom, wow. It seems to be quite well equipped. We have air vents here. We have USB-C there. Weird location though. Yeah. You can put the stuff. You can put your feet behind, under the front seat there. Show how this works. There. Okay, there's a shelf there. Everything feels quite sturdy. Do we have something in the middle? No? Okay. Let me check here. Yeah. Cup holder there, nothing there, but it doesn't seem to have a ski opening, probably because they don't ski in Thailand. But it seems to be okay. I have to check the middle seat. Okay, there you sit more elevated, but still okay headroom. Of course, we are now in the quite reclined position, but still, if I just sit up more, yeah, wow. But when it comes to the leg comfort, it seems to be okay. It's not the lowest, but not the highest I've seen, but it seems to be overall okay. And in the front, when how is this? Yeah, you do this type of opening. Okay. It has the EV9, you know, the more modern. I think even EV6 gets this. Don't remember, but it has the same type of interface as the other Kias. So you try to standardize on that. We have adjustments here. Look at inside. Wow, plenty of space here. Center console that can go up. What the heck is this? The seat. How does this work? That seat is connected to this? What the heck? I have to go to the other side and check it out. Okay, is this a charging pad? This is so weird. We have some buttons here. We have USB and stuff. Yeah, just as you guys know it. And you can change here between your phone communication or only power. And yeah, this is probably VLTP. It's in the utility mode now, but HVAC is off. Okay, so I have to check out the other side. How the heck does that seat work? We actually have a Frunk, a max load 25 kilograms, but we could almost fit a banana box in there. So it's fairly spacious, easy access to the washer fluid there. Okay, let me see if I can close it. It has struts to hold it up, that's great. Just slam it down. And then here, this is the weird solution I want to check out. How does the seat, what is the purpose of that seat? It doesn't have an adjustment there. You can, I need to try to get in here. You can push it forward. But then, when you push it forward, you see here, this happens. What? Can someone tell me what this is for? What the heck? We have a conventional glove box there, not that big. But do we have another thing here? Oh, this is a hook for hanging your stuff. There you guys have it, Kia EV5. It's spacious, but also kind of weird, and it could be a worthy maybe ID4 Model Y competitor if it comes to Europe. But for now, it's only in Thailand. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.